All right, Aaron Parker, Parker Safes and Vaults, Shelbyville, Tennessee. So we've gotten this safe off of the trailer and up the first step into the customer's home. This is a rather heavy safe. This is the American Security AM Vault TL-30 X6. The particular model on this is the CFX 452020, weighs about 2,343 pounds. And we're using our slides here so that we don't point load the floor, and we can just kind of keep those rails in place while we slide the safe along the rails, sort of like a train on a railroad track. And they're rubber bottomed, the rails are, and then they have like a slick Teflon coating on top. But nice little safe here. This is in a custom color, and this is it's blue. I'm not sure it turns out real well on the video, but it's like a light blue. And it does have a 2-hour fire rating, but at 1850 degrees, so pretty healthy rating. That label there just talks about the TL-30 X6 rating. And we put these jewelry boxes. Those are made by American Security. They don't come with the safe, but we put those in for the customer as he ordered. And then the next step is just explaining the lock and all that kind of stuff, checking everything. And yeah, there she is. But nice little safe. If you're looking for a high quality safe or vault door, give us a call. Or check us out online at parkersafes.com.